What's up guys, I'm Tiff here, so I put it for night. So we do have now, yeah, we have for the it's time, unboxing time. So we're putting fun, I do the meantime. But I wonder this one, right? I think it's that we have one right now, we be sharing. Meantime, I wanted to sign and then I understand the and that's what it's like plastic, the cardboard. I don't think that's so maybe meantime and so how you put how we was the last it this tape this other pad with a tape right and meantime this is this happened here it means some I open up and yeah and then we have it it's open up so the famous to me and see about halfway and I can really select and think for the parents and you have to me do unboxing. The review is different. I wanted this one and yeah I think it's ready. Here we go. Which we have. Oh my gosh, it is the last thing, the last page, the last page unboxing it here. There you have it for now. Let's take it in that. And oh my gosh, oh my gosh, is Redmi, not Dirty. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, do you know me, man? I do mean time. I will not suffer, man. I don't know it's not like the same as on with that. We can just take a look at that, and there you have it, guys. And then with this one, I just said, I wanna set it. Like, and there we have, we got it. That's really good. And I don't know if I'm going to show you how to we here, and now we open up. Let's get open up it. Alright, here we go, so we open up, I open up, and there we have it, that. Yes. Okay, there he is, then now we have this, and that's the so we have put it on, and then now, right? Then open up this, then right here. And this is my phone, the new phone is here, right? And then we don't want to show you this one. Now we go to the here. In this phone is a charger and cable on. And now open up this again. And we have is the case. Here is the case. There he is. And now we start up open up. Here is the case. Here's the casing for my new phone. Here is this one, right? Okay, open up. And there he is, I don't know, just we have this. But inside this right, meantime, I know it's time to put it here. Let's take a look and then we have it as a detail. And that's about it. If you just have the tabs, very long. The tabs here, the camera, right? And then we have one at the top. This is the camera, and the button, the volume down, and the power button. Type-C, and there you have it as turn on and power on, and that's just get blew up. And there you have it. So look at that, it's Xiaomi logo, right? And the Xiaomi logo. In the meantime, I am one that is so fun. Thanks, parents. There it is, the water book animation, and boom, that's the MIUI. I think it's on MIUI. I think there's just some MIUI. I think I want to upgrade to Xiaomi HyperOS. So I did one different, and that's why I just start off with this. I just start top of right, right? And in the meantime, I want to be honest, all the SMS 1 and 2. I just some one. My battery is really I don't know which one they have. I don't know my buttons. Okay, I'm plugging in, and there we have it. you already installed it, right? Installed it one, I installed it on something small, right? So we have it now. I just finished the installing, and I upgrade to Xiaomi HyperOS.
Okay, I did the fun after installation, right? And then I also see it as long as this I don't know I updated that. As a kid of called about what's called this. I'm using this Xiaomi HyperOS. So when I last screen yeah, so this is right. Okay, this is still here. Now okay, let's test another one.
So I game test. Right now we are after TPU is Snapdragon 685 Ultra Core Max 280 gigahertz, right? And there you have another one. And there you have the computer right now. Next, sorry, God, with the sound test. With the sound test. In the meantime, we have the novel, right? And let's listen. And finally, it's the display test. In the meantime, we have to try to find refilling a color, the color of my phone, right? And this is the color of my phone. In the meantime, we have to find the display, I did the test the display, and then we have to find the sync of the display, right? And then in the meantime, I found and test results in this afternoon, right? The results were very good, right? And there we have the results. So after RAM status, and that's the RAM address at 0 and plus 4.0 gigabytes, right? And the RAM is 8.0 plus 30.
So we have already defined our design outside at the end of our video of unboxing time is Redmi Note 30, right? And there you have it guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, turning on notification to pass this video. Thanks for watching and see you next one and peace out. And also happy birthday to me.